Ooh, you were hitting it. I can smell them a little bit.
Yeah, I gotta get them voice coils warmed up.
Yeah, that's right. Yes, sir. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
It's a shitbox edition, so you gotta.
It's okay.
Throw that on there.
Oh, there we go. All right. Let's double it up. All right. So what is your name and what's in here, man?
My name is Steven Barnard with Straight Slammin' Audio.
Okay.
Right here I have 4 12-inch Black Diamond D2 600 RMS a piece.
Nice.
On an Apex cab 45. Then I have a K4X for my 2 8s and 2 6x5s. And then a K4 for my 2 Super Tweeters, Black Diamond. Everything's all Black Diamond. Nice. Custom built the box, double layered the Dynomat with another double layer up here. Did the amp rack. I have 1.5 inch foam blocking underneath here up against the box, up against the wall and the window.
Yep. Kind of seal off around it.
Yeah, and then I built a full wood link for the window to block off the view of all the back stuff.
Yes, sir. Very nice. I like that you have your, sorry to interrupt, I like the way you have your walled box here, and then you got your amp battery staging here, and you still got plenty of seat room. So
yeah, I have so I burnt my I had a CT Sounds 3200, and as soon as I opened the gate yesterday, I burnt it up.
Oh man.
So that's why I got this Apex.
Got it.
And then I have 200 batteries down here, AGM, and then I have a JTS 320 amp alternator in the front, and a XS Power D3400 in the front as well.
Awesome. Very nice. Do you know the cubic space or tuning?
It's supposed to be tuned for 42 hertz.
Okay. Did you build the box and build this in here?
I didn't build the box. I got the box. It is custom built by a guy named Mike Creevy, Team Wicked. I got it off of him, but I did everything else.
All right.
I did the center console with my
sir.
And,
sweet.
Door boxes and stuff.
All right. Yeah, man. I would love to hear it.
All right.
So you said what was the all the battery power? Kind of because it was all underneath.
Yeah, I have the 200 Oz under here, and then I have the XS Power D34.
Okay, got it. All right, so AGM. Nice. Are they already broken into?
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, they're a little solid still, but this one broke in a little bit more. Yesterday I actually broke some screws off, so I had to redo all my screws. And, so I think that's why this one's probably bumping a little harder.
Yeah.
The rest of them are pretty tight. The next thing to do is just get a fan set up for my Apex to keep her cool.
Was it how did it react different from that other amp and this one? Was the other one a little louder? Or?
So I had it first on a 1250 EP Cosmo, and it was too small, so it didn't move the subs properly. So then I got the CT Sounds 3200. Never had voltage drop. Now I can go down all the way to 12.7 with my Apex. So
Got it.
Get voltage and actually takes it in.
Yes, sir. Very nice. Can I put this up at all?
Yeah, this
other one? Okay. Kind of get a view of it. Very nice. And this is at 1 ohm?
These are actually at 2 ohm.
2 ohm, okay. Got it.
The way they're wired up, they're at 2 ohm right now.
Yeah, keep it clean signal. Yeah, awesome. Today's video is sponsored by NVX, and I've got a little subwoofer here for you to check out. The VCW 8-inch subwoofer with a 14mm one-way X-Max carbon fiber cone and a really stout motor structure for an 8-inch subwoofer. Definitely recommend checking out all details in the description to learn more about this. It has a 2.5-inch 4-layer high-temp black voice coil with a 124-ounce triple stack magnet with a frequency range of 20 to 200 hertz and dual progressive roll bolt-on spiders with integrated braided leads. All right.
No.
Yeah, I appreciate the demo, man. That's awesome.
Yeah, I gotta get them voice coils warmed up.
Yeah, that's right. Yes, sir. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Steven.
Steven. Nice. Thanks for the demo, Steven.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you.